Stability ball crunch, a powerful exercise that targets your core with more intensity than traditional floor crunches because of the unstable surface. How to do a stability ball crunch. Step by step. 1. Sit on a stability ball with your feet flat on the floor, about hip-width apart. Slowly walk your feet forward and roll your back onto the ball until your lower to mid-back rests on it. Keep your knees bent at a 90-degree angle and your feet planted firmly. 2. Hand position. Place your hands lightly behind your head or cross them over your chest. Avoid pulling on your neck. Starting position. Engage your core and keep your neck in a neutral position. Your torso should be parallel to the ground, or slightly arched back over the ball to increase range of motion. 4. Perform the crunch. Exhale as you contract your abs and lift your upper torso toward your thighs. Focus on curling your ribcage toward your pelvis, not just lifting your shoulders. Lower back down. Inhale as you slowly return to the starting position, allowing your abs to stretch over the ball. 6 repetitions. Perform 12 to 20 reps for 2 to 4 sets depending on your fitness level. Benefits of stability ball crunch. 1. Greater core activation due to the unstable surface, which forces your stabilizer muscles to engage. 2. Improved balance and coordination as your body works to stay steady on the ball. 3. Enhanced range of motion for the abs since the ball allows your spine to extend further than the floor. 4. Strengthens lower back and posture, helping to prevent injuries and improve alignment. 5. Builds defined abs when combined with proper nutrition and full body training. 6. Low impact on the neck and spine when done correctly, reducing strain compared to floor crunches. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.